Oh, fuck. Damn.
What the fuck was that?
Dude, I've never seen that shit. Oh, that thing's blowing up serious. Dude, that thing's glowing.
Holy shit!
A few moments later.
Just can't leave it burn. I'll stomp it out.
Bro.
Oh no, that's a bad idea. That's a terrible idea.
Yeah.
That's a chemical fire. Fuck. That's a bad idea. Alrighty, so actually back at a very familiar spot. Last week we flew a spot sort of hidden, I guess. And anyways, we're back again for round 2. A little bit of golden hour flight before we go to the drift cars. Anyways, I'm gonna get a little redemption because so many people were bitching and complaining that there was just too many redundant maneuvers. Goal today is to make less redundant maneuvers. So got the wine. Mr. Edwin, the Predator. Chris, who can't get his shit fixed.
What are you talking about?
You get it fixed? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Uh-huh.
I'm scratching my syphilis.
Not
syphilis.
Syphilis. So Bubby and I are in the middle of the track.
Come around this way.
This is crazy. I hope they come through here. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.